Congress, Manasvi, you'll have to hold it.
Manasvi, let's go to the news. Let's go to the news. We'll come back to the conversation.
There is news coming in that Congress leaders are apparently very miffed with Uddhav Thackeray
for messing it up.
Those cracks are now developing within the Maha Vikas Aghadi because they did not expect to be ruining it this badly for the alliance. Now, is it blame Uddhav now? Is it blame Congress now? I'm sure the whole day through we'll be coming across.
So there is clearly a case of Uddhav Thackeray messing it up for the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi in terms of the confused messaging that he did. You know, he not only confused his electorate, he confused perhaps the other parties also. Shravan is there at the BJP headquarters. Let's get to Shravan. Shravan, over to you. Action beginning at the BJP headquarters or not, Shravan?
Certainly, it's not that much. It's expected to begin. Preparations are already underway. You have flags of the Mahayuti now being brought in, apart from the BJP flag, the NCP flag being put here right now, along with the Shiv Sena flag. So there is a celebration that is expected to take place later in the day. Just a quick update of the breaking news now coming in. Abhishek, while speaking to some of the BJP leaders who have come in, this is what we have picked up. The legislative party meeting is expected to take place sometime tomorrow, late in the evening, or perhaps it could also spill over to Monday. They're also looking at perhaps the cabinet being sworn in by the 26th. But remember, on 26th again, because of it being a Samvidhan Day, there could be a change on that too. Right now, the central observers are expected to land in Mumbai sometime tomorrow, when they also meet the alliance partners. That's when the decision essentially to be taken as to who exactly is going to be the next Chief Minister of Maharashtra. While there is certainly a growing clamour within the BJP itself, because this by far has been the best performance, hoping that it would be their leader who becomes the Chief Minister of Maharashtra. But there could be a twist also, keeping in mind how exactly the BJP central leadership really views this, because all through the campaigning, if you really look at it right from the Prime Minister to the Home Minister, all the several top leadership have largely seen Eknath Shinde, or has said that they are fighting this election under the leadership of Eknath Shinde. So that is one of the reasons why there are certain internal speculation also doing the round that, you know, you will have to keep Eknath Shinde happy too. And that is the reason why things could turn around a little bit. But more clarity only expected little later in the day. As far as Fadnavis is concerned, he's expected to leave for Nagpur in a short while from now. That's a tradition that he has always followed.
Piyush Goyal is at Devendra Fadnavis's residence. Now, that is, the events are going on now. Devendra Fadnavis has just spoken to the Home Minister Amit Shah. He's had a phone call. He's had a phone conversation with the Home Minister Amit Shah. And now the Union Minister Piyush Goyal is at Devendra Fadnavis.